Hello guys, today I will show you basic tutorials for beginners in Melon Playground. The first one is how to make the connector invisible. First, you need 2 items. Next is align the items you pick, but it's up to you what alignment did you use. Next is open the camera on the right side of the screen. But first connect what you want to connect. Voila, you're done. Perfect. Next tutorial is how to resize objects. Of course, you gotta pause it first so you can make them float and move around. First, get the item you need to resize. Hold the item and scroll till you see resize. And now resize your item how big you want it to be. Let's test it on pumpkin. Damn! Hey, it works! And now the final one is how to save your project. First, make the project you want to save, of course. Hold the background near the project you made and swipe to the left. After that, now you hold the item and scroll down until you find then click Save and find it on the second last in the menu. Now you can clone and save. Thank you for watching the video, folks. Please like and subscribe to